Hi guys, welcome to you all to my YouTube channel English Online. In this video, we will study descriptive paragraph writing, which is a question to be asked in class 9th writing section. Descriptive writing about place, person and events are the 3 points that to be asked in the question. Either it will be a place, person or event. So I'm going to make the 3 videos separate for all these 3 events. One for the place, another for person and another for event, with lots of ideas and lots of descriptions. So let's talk about description of place. Whenever you get the question for writing a descriptive paragraph for describing a place, what you should include in that? Writing a descriptive essay about a place or the place you are associated with gives the chance to convey a personal perspective or feeling. Remember, it will give you chance to convey a personal description, personal idea about the place you know. जिस प्लेस के बारे में आपको पता है, अगर वो क्वेश्चन आपके पास आता है तो उसमें आप पर्सनल प्रीव्यू भी दे सकते हैं, पर्सनल आइडिया भी दे सकते हैं. रिमेंबर, ऑलवेज बिगिन योर राइटिंग content by describing thing that strikes you first about the place and make your description interesting, different and unique. जो चीज़ आपको बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्राइक करती है उस प्लेस के बारे में, उसे पहले लिखिए. राइट द स्ट्राइकिंग थिंग फर्स्ट. और एक चीज़ जो ज़रूरत की चीज़ याद रखनी है, दैट द डिस्क्रिप्शंस मस्ट बी इंटरेस्टिंग, different and unique. Your description about the place must be interesting, different and unique. Use exotic words, some good collection of words. Adjectives should be used to describe, and the language that you use in the writing must be very simple to make the place come to life. That should be like, it should look like real place. Remember to avoid grammatical and spelling errors. Grammatical और spelling errors जैसे आपको पहले से पता है कि avoid करने हैं, उसकी errors नहीं होनी चाहिए. And friends, mind it, whenever you write about place, there are something which you should always use and remember in your mind, and those points are like, remember the place or the location. What does the place look like? जब आप लिखना जा रहे हैं तो आपको ध्यान में क्या रखना है कि the content which you write for them, you mention the name of the place, लोकेशन, कौन सा लोकेशन में है, किस डायरेक्शन में है, कैसे पीपल वहाँ पहुँचेंगे, दैट मस्ट बी मेंशन इन दैट. व्हाट डज द प्लेस लुक लाइक, दैट आल्सो यू कैन इंडिकेट. ये कैसा दिखता है, किस तरह के शेप हैं और लाइक स्पेशलिटीज़ हैं. स्पेशल फीचर ऑफ द प्लेस, सारे प्लेस के कुछ ना कुछ स्पेशल फीचर होते हैं जो आपको मेंशन करना होता है. So remember, special feature of that place should be mentioned in your paragraph. What do you like of that place or about that place? Its atmosphere. And you must remember, if you liked anything there, then you recommend others to visit. जब भी आप किसी प्लेस को डिस्क्राइब करना चाहते हैं तो उसमें आप रिकमेंडेशन लिख सकते हैं. यू रिकमेंड प्लेस टू विजिट, लाइक पीपल हु वुड लाइक टू कम, they should come and visit. But what is that specialties, that special feature that you must mention in that, or any other relevant content if there is, you should write. So overall, in a glance, let's come to know about the place, description of place. In descriptive paragraph of description of place, you are going to write all about the place, its location, the name of the place, its special feature, इसकी एटमॉस्फेयर, इसके रिकमेंडेशन एंड प्लेस टू विजिट. रिमेंबर, अच्छे वर्ड्स का यूज़ करना है, गुड कलेक्शन ऑफ वर्ड्स, एडजेक्टिव्स, एंड यू कैन आल्सो गिव योर ओन पर्सपेक्टिव, योर ओन आइडिया, and that should be true or fact. Remember, it's a factual description, like. And here is the question which you can describe and practice for yourself, like describe your house to your friends. Let's practice with this question. आप अपने house के descriptive paragraph लिखिए and just describe it to your friend. Think you are describing to your friend because you know all thing about it. Describe spatial features, its location, its surrounding, everything. And another question for you is to describe the visit to the Statue of Unity. I hope you'll enjoy this passage and, of course, descriptive paragraph writing as the place. Hope everything is well for you. Thank you.